Here's what's changed in big tech over the last 2 years. Artificial intelligence fluency and cross-functional collaboration have moved from nice to have skills to absolute requirements. Companies aren't just looking for people who can do their job well anymore. They want candidates who understand artificial intelligence and understand how it transforms work and who can lead initiatives that span multiple teams across departments. If you want to accelerate your growth and unlock access to higher levels, these two capabilities, amongst others, will set you apart from everyone else. AI fluency goes way deeper than just knowing how to use ChatGPT or Copilot. Real AI fluency means understanding how these tools work strategically and applying them to boost both your productivity and your team's innovation, and if possible, your company's innovation. The teams that are winning right now are the ones that leverage AI to automate routine tasks, analyze data faster, and solve problems that used to take weeks in just days. Here's how you develop real AI skills. Start by learning the relevant AI tools and trends in your specific domain. If you're in software development, that means understanding code generation, automated testing, AI-assisted debugging. If you're in product management, it's about AI-powered analytics, user research automation, content or document generation, and predictive modeling. Don't just use these tools. Experiment with applying them in your daily work. Look for opportunities to introduce AI solutions that solve real problems for your team. And most importantly, stay updated on how AI is reshaping your entire industry, not just your immediate role. But AI fluency alone isn't enough. The second part of the competitive edge is cross-functional collaboration. And this becomes absolutely critical as you move up levels. Senior roles demand that you influence and lead beyond your immediate team. So you need to work seamlessly with product managers, designers, data scientists, and with business partners. When you can demonstrate leadership across different functions, you're showing that you can operate at the scale that higher levels truly require. Leadership beyond your team means enabling others to be more successful, aligning multiple teams around common goals, and driving outcomes that matter to the entire organization. It's the difference between individual contribution and organization impact. The higher you go in big tech, the more your success depends on your ability to walk through and with other people across different disciplines. Now, if your current role doesn't naturally provide these opportunities, you need to create them. Seek out projects that connect different departments. Volunteer for cross-team initiatives, even if they're not directly related to your main responsibilities. Create your future. Look for ways to create impact in new areas where you can demonstrate both your AI knowledge and your ability to collaborate across functions. Sometimes this means proposing solutions to problems that other teams are facing. Sometimes it means becoming the bridge between technical and business teams on AI-related initiatives. The combination of AI fluency and cross-functional leadership sends powerful signals about your readiness for promotion. It shows that you understand the future of work and that you can adapt to changing technology and that you have the leadership capabilities that higher levels truly demand. These aren't just skills, they are proof that you can operate at a more strategic level. So as an action, review the level guide that we've provided. Assess your alignment and update your resume and LinkedIn to reflect the level you're aiming for, not just where you've been. Grab that level guide and reflect on this. 1. What's your current scope? 2. How broad are your responsibilities? 3. What scale of impact do you have in terms of users, revenue, and teams? How complex are your projects? How do you handle ambiguity? What promotion signals are you sending? Are you visible to leadership, collaborating cross-functionally, and so on? Pick 2 to 3 target roles or levels. Identify gaps between your current experience and those expectations. Use these to update your resume, LinkedIn, and career strategy. See you at the next module.